Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial and this video will make a very broken clicker. Well, I'm going to make a simple clicker but with each click I'm going to put all of the effects games the codes that I put in all of my effect games. So let's get started. So I'm going to click, set, let's make a new variable, clicks. Wait, why did the color change to red? That's weird. Okay, so clicks. Okay, now set clicks to 0 and when this is right click, change clicks by 1 and well, this is pretty easy. Now let's show this variable. Okay, so clicks and okay, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, well, okay, back to 0 and now I'm not going to put all of the effect games that scripts that I put in them because there are a lot. So I'm going to put three of them. So let's see. So here I am. So let's see. So let's go to my profile and see some of my effect games. Um. hmm, let's see. Rather fact. That's a bit weird. I, I don't think I'm going to put this one. Stretchy effect, that's very good. Slow rolling. Um, let's see more. Happy effect. 3D effect. Now let's search and no. Spider-Man, Galaxy, Iron Man, Speakerman dancing, Minecraft. Oh, I don't find. Wait, this is very strange. Why I don't find my games? This is very weird. I'm going to search in the second page. I thought I had more effects. Find the number, level even. Wait, this is actually really weird. Spider-Man, Jetpack Dodge. Well, maybe I have it in the final page. That will be very weird. Oh, yes, we have all of our effects in here. Red light, green light. Okay, so we have this glitch effect. Let's see it. Okay, let's see. Glitch effect. Okay, it's very glitched. Now let's take some code further. I'm gonna click, go text 0, 0, okay. Let's pull off that code. Let's put it in the backpack. Go to the backpack. Code broken one. Okay, code broken one. There it is. Now let's go to the broken clicker. So here we are, and here I have some code. Here, code broken one. But we're going to delete the one graph I clicked. I'm going to put all of this, and also we're going to put a weight. Okay, so first let's see. Uh, okay, but I will set color effect to. Okay, so maybe let's put set color effect to 0. But the clone, so there. Okay, so let's put when I start as a clone. Uh, let's put wait some seconds. 0.3, no 0.8. I delete this clone. Let's see if this works. Okay, so there we have it. Oh my god. Okay, let's put check our effect to 0. Okay, now let's see. No, why it's green? Okay, now. Oh my god. Oh well, let's leave it like that. Or I have a better idea. Let's put here in when I start scroll, let's put clear graphic effects. So let's put it over here. Okay. Oh my god. Well, it doesn't work. Well, it doesn't matter. Now the next effect. Here I am again in Scratch. Well, this glitch effect it's very nice. But only 9 blocks. It's very less than I thought. Well, now let's see the next one. I think it's fade effect. So let's see it. Well, fade effect in Scratch. Wait, what did I put in Scratch? That's really weird. Okay, so let's see. Okay, fade effect. Oh, 3 BS, that's so bad. Oh, wait, there's some fade. Oh, that's actually good. Okay, I have a speed, so we can make it very slow. Okay, I'll leave it in notified 5. Oh, again 9 blocks? That's really weird. So we have a sprite called fade, and it's like this, so it's oh, Alan white. Okay, that's good. I need covers of this. Okay, it's good. Now we are here in Scratch, and let's make a new sprite called fade. Okay, well, first let's put a backdrop. Let's put like a red backdrop. That will be great. Okay, there it is. Oh, wait. Cover the bitmap, and there we have it. Now convert to vector, and let's see the sprite called fade. Okay, and now here we're going to make um, the the square. So let's remove the outline, and now let's make the it was wide. That was 0, 0, 100, right? Well, guys, actually it's 0, 50, no wait, sorry, 50, 0, 100. Okay, there it is. Sorry. Oh my god. It's wait, what? 50. Oh my god, I can't do it. Okay, let's see. Okay, there it is. 100 and 100. Well, what is that? Oh guys, oh my god, I'm very stupid. It's 0, 0, 100. Okay. Well, now here is the without outline, and now let's make this. Okay, there we have it. It's fade effect. But here, let's put when I receive a fade. Okay, and let's put go to front layer and go to X 465 and 0. Okay. There it is. Okay, and guys, magically you have the other code. But let's do it distance. So there we have it. And let's put a message. So now let's put wait 0.9 seconds and broadcast fade. Let's see if this works. Please. Oh wait, well first let's put a when if I collect, hide, and when I receive facial. Okay. Okay, there is. And now, well, the fade is uncommon. Oh my god. Wait, what? Oh no, I'm done with my mouse. So, oh, this is so bad. Oh. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like and a subscribe. So, if you want more videos like this, I'll comment it. So, bye bye.